Hi, this is Dr. R. Jalababu, lecturer in chemistry. In this video, I will explain about first order reaction. What is the first order reaction? For the first order reaction, rate is depends upon concentration of one reactant only. For example, A is the reactant, it gives product P. So for this reaction, the rate is minus dA by dt. That is the rate is the decrease the concentration of the reactant A for time. That equals to, that is the K1 concentration of power 1. So here the rate equals to minus dA by dt K1 A power 1. So this is the first order reaction. The K1 is the rate constant, first order rate constant. Now that is the time and concentration of the reactant and concentration of product. So that the 0 seconds time, the concentration, initial concentration of the reactant A, that is the A moles per liter, and the initially there is the no products in the reaction, so that is the concentration of the products is the 0. After time t seconds, the reactant A is converted into the product. Now the X moles of the products are formed in this reaction. After time t seconds, what is the remaining concentration of the reactant A? That is the A minus X. So after at a time t seconds, the concentration of the reactant A minus X. At any concentration, at any time, the rate minus dx by dt, it is the depends upon the concentration of the reactants only. So that's why K1 A minus X. This is the rate of the reaction at t seconds. The concentration is the A minus X. Now this, the two groups are on exchange. So the minus dx by A minus X, that equals to K1 into dt. So this equation on integration, so the integration dx by A minus X equals to integration K1 dt. Now this minus integration dx by A minus X equals to minus ln A minus X, that equals to So the k1 is the constant k1. Integration dt equals to t plus I integration constant. Here integration dx by x equals to ln x plus I. So this is the minus ln a minus x equals to k1 t plus I. Now this is the equation 1. So to find out this integration constant value I at x, the t equals to 0, x equals to 0. Now these values are substituted in equation 1 minus ln a minus 0, that equals to k1 into t equals to 0 plus I. Now this is the minus ln a equals to I. So what is the I value? Minus ln a. This I value is substituted in equation 1. We get minus ln a minus x equals to k1t minus ln a. Now this ln minus ln a comes into this side. So that is the ln a minus ln a minus x equals to k1t. Now the k1, that is the rate constant, k1 equals to, that is the k1t equals to, so this is the ln a minus ln a minus x. So the ln taken into common, so that is the a minus, that is the a minus x, so that is the a by a minus x. Now this k1 equals to 1 by t ln a by a minus x. So this is the equation 2. So the rate constant k1 equals to 1 by t ln a by a minus x. So this rate constant k1 equals to 1 by t ln a by a minus x. So this equation is conversion into the log base 10. So that is the k1 equals to 2.303 by t log base 10 a by a minus x. So this ln x equals to 2.303 log base 10 x. So this is the final logarithmic form of equation of this first order reaction rate constant k1 equals to 2.303 by t log a by a minus x. Now that is the units for first order rate constant k1. So here that is the k1 2.303 by units for time seconds log base 10. So A is the concentration, by A minus X is also concentration. So concentration cancel. So the final units for K1, so the seconds here in the denominator, so that is the second inverse. So the units for the first order rate constant is only second inverse. There is the no concentration units. And next, off life period. What is the off life period? That is the T half. So the time required to complete the off of the reaction. That means the time required for completion of the 50% of the reaction. So that means at time equals to T half. So what is the initial concentration? That is the A moles. And the time T equals to 0. A moles for later, that is the concentration of the reactants. So the T equals to T half, so that is the half of the molecules are conversion to the products. So that is the X equals to A by 2. That is the half of the reactants are conversion to the product. Now these values T equals to T of and X equals to A by 2, these are the substituted in this equation 3, we get now, so the K1 equals to 2.303 by T half log base 10 A by A minus A by 2. Here T half equals to 2.303 by K1 log A by A minus A by 2. So that is the A by 2. Now T half equals to 2.303 by K1, that is the A and A cancel, and log 2. Now log 2 value is 0.3010. Now T half equals to 2.303 by K1, so the into 0.3010. Now the T half equals to 0.693 by K1. So this is the off life period for the first order reaction. T of equals to 0.693 by K1. So off life of the first order reaction independent on the initial concentration. There is the no concentration term here. So this is the independent on the initial concentration. So the off life is does not depends upon the concentration of the reactants for the first order reaction. So for example, so this is the reactant molecules, there is the For example, 8 reactant molecules in this reaction. So they are the converts into this off. So the 8 molecules, so the 4 molecules are converted into the products, and there is the 4 molecules are the remaining. So this is the 1 T half. So that's the time required for 2 of the reaction. So the 8 molecules to 4 molecules. So 1 half life. Now here the initial concentration, here 4 molecules. So there is the of this reaction. There is the only 2 molecules. So the 4 to 2. This is the 1 half life. And here that is the only 1 reactant molecule. So the 1 half life. So all these half lives are the same because there is the first order reaction half life does not depends upon the initial concentration. Here 8 molecules to 4 molecules, 1 half life, and 4 molecules to 2 molecules is the one another half life, and 2 molecules to 1 molecules the same. So these time required for 8 molecules to 4 and 4 to 2 to 1, all these same. So the half-life of the first order reaction does not depends upon the initial concentration. Here 8 to 4 to 1, whatever the initial concentration, the half-life is the same. And next, the graphical representation of the first order reaction. So this first order rate constant K1 equals to 2.303 by T log base 10 A by A minus X. Now, so this exchange of these two places, now the T equals to 2.303 by K1 log base 10 A by A minus X. Now, this equation y equals to mx. So this here, this is the y-axis. On y-axis, that is the time t, and x-axis log base 10 a by a minus x. Now the m is the slope, there is the no intercept. Here it is the passing through the horizon, and now this is the slope m equals to 2.303 by k1. From this equation, we can find out the first order rate constant from the slope 2.303 by k1. That is the time versus log a by a minus x. And now the examples for first order reaction. Now examples. The first one is decomposition of N2O5 in presence of the CCl4, we get NO2 plus half O2. This is the example for the first order reaction. Next, second one is The hydrogen peroxide aqueous solution is decomposed in presence of the platinum catalyst from the H2O and oxygen. And the third one is, that is the CH3COO C2H5. This is the ethyl acetate. So the hydrolysis in presence of the acid. So the hydrolysis of ester gives, that is the CH3COOH, acetic acid, and C2H5OH. So this is the acetic acid and this is the ethyl alcohol. So this is the first order reaction, that is the hydrolysis of the ethyl acetate in the acetic medium. So these are the examples for the first order reaction. In this video, we discussed for the first order reaction, the definition for the first order reaction, and the derivation for this first order rate constant, and the units for the first order rate constant, that is the second inverse, and half life period for the first order rate constant, that is the T of equals to 0.693, and the graphical representation of this first order reaction, and finally the examples for this first order reaction. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please share and like my videos and subscribe JBR School of Chemistry for more interesting videos. Thank you.